Hi friends, welcome to English Guru YouTube channel. Now I am going to teach you some questions with answers. Which questions will come out in your competitive exams? You may appear any competitive exams. These type of questions will come. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, let's start. In the following questions, the sentence given with blank to be filled in with an appropriate word. Select the correct alternative out of the four and indicate it by selecting the appropriate option. Question number 1. Speeding and blocking are traffic offences which led to dash accident. Four options have given here. We have to pick out the correct one. Let's analyze. Option A, ignoble. What is the meaning of ignoble? Which means not noble or plebeian or not honorable. And final means the concluding part of something. Great means popular. And gruesome, understood? Gruesome means causing repulsion or horror or terrible. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, option D will be the correct answer. Question number 2. You did not do your homework. You did not do your homework. This sentence has written in negative form. We have to pick out the question tag. Understood? Four options are given here. We have to pick out the question tag. Because you did not do your homework, this sentence has written in negative form. If a sentence has written in negative form, the question tag will be positive. So my lovable students, its correct option is option A. Understood? Question number 3. The robbers fell dash amongst themselves over the sharing of the loot. Option A, out. B, through. C, off. D, across. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, fell out, which means disagreement. B, if we shall write fell through, which means not completed. If we shall write fell off, which means becomes smaller. And fell across means to meet by chance. My lovable students, my amiable friends, the robbers fell out. Understood? The robbers fell out amongst themselves over the sharing of the loot. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option will be option A. The robbers fell out amongst themselves over the sharing of the loot. My lovable students, my amiable friends, directions question number 4 to 5. In the following questions, out of the four alternatives, choose the synonym of the given word. Question number 4. Furtively. Option A, curiously. B, stealthily. C, delicately. D, haphazardly. My lovable students, my amiable friends, curiously means a strong desire to know about something. Understood? And stealthily means which means attention. Understood? Stealthily means attention. And delicately means beautifully. And haphazardly means marked by lack of plan. So my lovable students, furtively, which is the synonym of furtively? Stealthily. Option B is the correct one, which means attention. Understood? To keep all attention or concentratedly. Question number 5. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Question number 5. Dainty. Option A, carefree. B, fraud. C, prosperous. D, delicate. Carefree means unworried. B, fraud means wrongful. C, prosperous means flourishing. D, delicate means beautiful. My lovable students, my amiable friends, the synonym of dainty is delicate. Next one, question number 6. Select the antonym, my lovable students and my amiable friends. What is the meaning of antonym? Opposite word. Select the antonym of mendacity. Select the antonym of mendacity. What is the meaning of mendacity? Untruthfulness. Understood? Untruthfulness. Option A, dulcet. B, falsehood. C, honesty. D, curiosity. My lovable students, my amiable friends, let's analyze these words. Dulcet means sweet and soothing. Falsehood means the state of being untrue. And honesty means kindness. D, curiosity means a strong desire to know about something. The antonym of mendacity is honesty. Question number 7. Select the antonym of dodge. A, evidence. B, clear. C, evade. D, confront. Let's analyze these words. Evidence. Evidence is the noun form of avoid, which means keep off. And clear means intelligible. Evade means avoid. And confront means challenge. Understood? So its correct option is confront. Confront is the antonym of dodge. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Directions. Question number 8 to 10. In the following questions, some part of the sentences may have errors. Find out which part of the sentence has an error and select the appropriate option. If a sentence is free from error, select no error. Question number 8. The Prime Minister along with Home Minister have inaugurated the 5th International Ramayana Festival here in Lucknow. And in 3, no error has given. And in 3 and in 4, no error has given. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here. The Prime Minister. And it is joined by along with. Understood? I have already explicated in my previous videos. If a sentence is joined by, as well as, in addition to, together with, along with, we should keep our eye on the first noun. According to the first noun, the verb will be singular or plural. Understood? Here first noun, the Prime Minister, is singular. That's why definitely what has written in the second option, Home Minister have inaugurated, this part is definitely the wrong part. Home Minister have, it had to write Home Minister has, because the first noun, the Prime Minister, is singular. That's why its correct option is Its correct option is B. Its correct option is B. Question number 9. Parliament today serves less as locus for debate and discussion and more as one for din and discord. And in 3, this part has written, and in 4, no error has explicated. So take a glance, my lovable students and my amiable friends. Number 2, as locus for debate and discussion has written, because locus is countable and definitely this part is totally wrong, and in place of as we have to write A. Understood? That's why this part, option B, part 2 was wrong, and in place of as we have to write A locus for debate and discussion. Parliament today serves less a locus for debate and discussion and more as one for din and discord. The government has declared that it will launch a 3 crore rupees project within the next few days. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here, that it will launch a 3 crores rupees, because 3 crores, after 3 a comma has given, a comma has put, after that crore has written. So before 3 crores definitely we should not put A, we should not put down A. This is totally wrong. Understood? We have to omit A. And option B, we have to keep our eye on option B. Question number 11. Select the word with the correct spelling. My lovable students, my amiable friends. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance on pertinacious. Pertinacious. Option C is the correct answer. Pertinacious, which means determinate. Understood? Pertinacious has written correctly. Besides pertinacious, other words have written incorrectly. Pertinacious means determinate. Understood? Striving, determinate or striving. Question number 12. My lovable students, my amiable friends, select the antonym of maverick. Option A, eccentric, which means uncommon. B, insipid, which means tasteless. C, rebel, which means a person who rises in opposition. And conformist, which means established or established practices. Understood? This is the antonym of maverick, which means established or established practices or setup. Question number 13. Improve the bracketed part of the sentence. With her feet spread wide, she threw back her head led for a while. Option A, Had and let of a wild. B. Had and let into a wild. C. Had and let out a wild. D. No improvement. Let's analyze these phrases. Let up. What is the meaning of let up? Let up means excuse or forgive. Let out, let into, which means allow someone to know. And let out, which means utter or emit. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option is, we have to write this one. Had and let out a wild. Question number 14. In the following question, out of the four alternatives, select the alternative which is the best substitute of the phrase. Tending to keep a firm hold of something, clinging or adhering closely. Tending to keep a firm hold of something, clinging or adhering closely. What it will be? Four options have given here. Let's analyze four options one by one. Tentative, which means provisional. Tentative means provisional. Then tenacious, which means firm. Which means firm or determined. Then hesitancy, which means uncertainty. Then ambivalent, which means having mixed feelings. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct answer is tenacious. Tenacious. Question number 15. Select the word with the correct spelling. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance on option D. Conceivable, conceivable, which means capable of being imagined. Capable of being imagined. This is the correct option. Question number 16. Select the word with the correct spelling. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance on option B. Troglodyte, which means a person who lived in a cave. A person who lived in a cave. What it will be? Troglodyte. Question number 17. Rearrange the parts of the sentence in correct order. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option will be option C. QPSR. Question number 18. Rearrange the parts of the sentence in correct order. Its correct answer will be RQSP. Option B. RQSP. Sorry. Option D. Its correct answer will be option D. Option D. In the following question, a sentence has been given in direct or indirect speech. Out of the four alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect or direct speech. Renu said, I bought a Titan watch yesterday. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here. Said is a repeating verb here. Understood? I bought a Titan watch yesterday. While we are changing a direct speech into indirect speech, we must keep our eye on the repeating verb. Which is repeating verb here? Said. Understood? Said is repeating verb here. And the repeated speech has written in past tense form. And that's why we should also change. The repeating verb has also written in past tense form. That's why the repeated speech will be also written in past tense form. Understood? That's why Renu said. Renu, it is feminine gender. So its correct option will be Renu said that she had bought a Titan watch the previous day. Because in indirect speech, yesterday will be changed into previous day. Understood? So option D will be the correct one. Question number 20. In the following question, out of the 4 alternatives, select the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the idiom or phrase. Beat a hasty retreat. Beat a hasty retreat. Which means a animal sacrifice as an offering to God. It cannot be possible. This is wrong. B. To overcome from difficult situation. This is also wrong. Making decision as quick as possible. This is also wrong. To run away. Definitely beat a hasty retreat. Which means to run away. Beat a hasty retreat, which means to run away. My lovable students, my amiable friends, select the synonym of the given word. Jejun. Jejun means simple or innocent. Monotonous, which means tedious or boring or dull. Or piquant, which means spicy. Exultant, which means very happy. Vindicate, which means clear someone of blame. Clear someone of blame. Select the synonym of the given word jejun. Jejun means simple or innocent. And its synonym is dull or boring. Understood? Or tedious. Its synonym is monotonous. Question number 22 to 23. In the following questions, a sentence has been given in active or passive voice. Out of the 4 alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in passive or active voice. The company gave him a small compensation. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, the company gave him. This sentence has extracted from past simple aspect. In this sentence, we have to take a glance him. Him will be changed into he. Understood? Though this sentence has extracted from past simple aspect. Understood? And we should follow the rule was, were plus V3. So its correct option will be he was given a small compensation by the company. He was given a small compensation by the company. Question number 23. Do not punish him. This is an imperative sentence. While we are changing an imperative sentence into passive voice, we should follow the rule let plus be plus v3. Because do not punish him, this sentence refers to order. Understood? So its correct option will be let him not be punished. Because if we are changing an imperative sentence into passive voice, if it refers to order, we should follow the rule let plus object plus be plus v3. So its correct option will be let him not be punished. Option B. Question number 24. Given below are 4 jumbled sentences. Select the option that gives their correct order. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option will be SPRQ. SPRQ, option A. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Question number 25. Connoisseur. Connoisseur, which means expert judge. Select the word with the correct spelling. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance. Option C, connoisseur. Connoisseur, which means expert judge or expert. Question number 26. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Put to the sword. Put to the sword. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option is to be slain or executed. To be slain or executed. Question number 27. Improve the bracketed part of the sentence. Some of the players are responsible for our defeat in the World Cup. My lovable students, my amiable friends, take a glance here. Player are. This is totally wrong. In place of player are, it had to write players are. So take a glance which option is correct. 4 options are given here. Some of the player is responsible. This is wrong. B. Some of the players are responsible. Definitely this is correct one. Option B. Some of the players are responsible. Question number 27. Some of the players are responsible for our defeat in the World Cup. This is the correct one. Question number 28. Select the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. President Ramnath Kovind made a significant observation that all 3 organs of the state, persons occupying constitutional posts, civil society members and citizens should abide dash constitutional morality. Abide, its fixed preposition is by. Understood? President Ramnath Kovind made a significant observation that all 3 organs of the state, persons occupying constitutional posts, civil society members and citizens should abide by constitutional morality. Question number 29. My lovable students, my amiable friends. Select the antonym of the given word, protract. Protract means increase. Option A, curtail, which means reduce. And prolong means it is taking longer than it should. And perpetuate means keep going. And expose means open. My lovable students, my amiable friends, its correct option is curtail, which means reduce. Curtail is the antonym of protract. Question number 30, which is the last question of this session. Select the word which means the same as the group of words given. Government by the worst persons. Government by the worst person. Four options I've given here: gerontocracy, A, B, kakistocracy, C, narrowcracy, D, therachi. Therachi. Let's analyze each words. Gerontocracy, which means a state. Understood? Kakistocracy, which means least qualified. Least qualified. Narrowcracy, which means inexperienced. And therachi, which means ruled by a god. My lovable students, government by the worst persons. Its correct option is kakistocracy. So my lovable students, my amiable friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot. May God bless you. Brush up your knowledge with English Guru YouTube channel.